Okay, ma'am. Shall I start?
Yes, Meena.
Okay. Hello, everyone. This is Saida Bibi Amina. Today, I will explain about the topic about problems on time and work. First problem. George is two-thirds as efficient as Smith, and Smith is three-fourths as efficient as John. George working alone is what fraction of all of them working together? And options they are given. Let's start. G is George is, let us take it as G, and S as Smith. G is to S is 2, two-thirds of 3, two-thirds of 3 is to 1, that is 2 is to 1. Next, S is Smith, take it as Smith, and J is John. S is to J is 3/4 is to 1, that is 3 is to 4. Next, J is to S is to J is equals to 2 is to 3 is to 4. It equals to 2 divided by 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equals to 2 by 9. So the answer is 2 by 9, option A. Next. A and B completed a work together in 5 days at twice the speed and B at half the speed. It would have taken them 4 days to complete the job. How much time would it take for a long to do the work? Options are there. A plus B's 1 day's efficiency is equals to 100 divided by 5, that equals to 20%. Let us take this as equation 1. Next, 2A plus B divided by 2 is equals to 100 divided by 4, which is equals to 25%. Let us take it as equation 2. Next, multiply equation 2 by 2 in minus equation equals to 4A plus B minus A minus B, that equals to 50% minus 20%, which is equals to 3A is equals to 30%, and hence A is equals to 10%. Option is option A, which is 10%. Next, third problem. A is 30% more efficient than B. How much time will they working together take to complete a job which A alone could have done in 23 days? Options are there. Ratio of time taken by A and B are 100 is to 130, which is equals to 10 is to 13. Suppose B takes X days to do the work, then 10 is to 13 is to 23 is to X, which is equals to 23 into 13 divided by 10, which is X equals to 299 by 10. A's 1 day's work is 1 divided by 23 and B's 1 day's work is 10 divided by 299. Therefore, A and B together can complete the job in 13 days. Hence, which is the answer is option B, 13 days. Next problem. A and B can complete a work in 15 days and 10 days respectively. They started doing the work together, but after 2 days, B had to leave and A alone completed the remaining work. The whole work was completed in options are there. A plus B's 1 day's work is equals to 1 divided by 15 plus 1 divided by 10, which is equals to 1 divided by 6. Work done by A and B in 2 days is equal to 1 divided by 6 into 2, which is equals to 1 divided by 3. Remaining work is equals to 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equals to 2 by 3. Now, 1 divided by 15 work will be done by A in 1 day. Two-third work will be done by A in 15 into 2 by 3, which is equals to 10 days. Hence, total taken time is equals to 10 plus 2, which is equals to 12 days. Hence, the option is C, 12 days. Next problem. X and Y can do a piece of work in 20 days and 12 days respectively. X started the work alone and then after 4 days, Y joined him till the completion of the work. How long did the work last? Options are there. Work done by X in 4 days is equals to 1 divided by 20 into 4, which is equals to 1 by 5. And the remaining work is 1 minus 1 divided by 5, which is equals to 4 by 5. X plus Y's 1 day's work is equals to 1 divided by 20 plus 1 by 12, which is equals to 8 by 60. It equals to 2 by 15. Now 2 by 15 work is done by X and Y in 1 day. So 4 by 5, 4 by 5 work will be done by X and Y in 15 by 2 into 4 by 5. It is equals to 6 days. Its total time taken is 6 plus 4 days, which is equals to 10 days. Option is B, 10 days. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Amina.
Over, ma'am. 5 problems.
Only five problems. Why? Actually, your voice was completely. Your voice was not audible for me. I was
Okay.
just. Okay. Why only five problems?
5 problems. I have shared to you, ma'am. I have told you before 5 problems only.
See, usually. Okay. First, stop recording.
Okay.